Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now, at this moment, we have Dogecoin that is consolidating a little bit here. We have a Dogecoin that has been recovering from the whole FTX fallout, but also recovering just from the wave 2 that it had coming down after that decent sized price increase that we had that had kicked off at the end of October and had taken the price from a price that was around 6 cents all the way up to close to 16 cents. So it was a decent price movement. And then we have been seeing some retracement within that price since then, and including with the FTX fallout, which has sent it down a little bit lower than we had wanted it to. But now we are seeing this recovery take place, and things are moving along just right. So looking at things now, if we have in fact completed this wave 2, which it looks like we have, there's a possibility that now we're seeing within the subwave here, within a wave 3 from these much larger wave impulses, where the start of the wave 1 had started out at a price that was just under 5 cents, and that was back in the middle of June. So that was at the 52-week low point. We went up and completed this wave 1 in the beginning of November, and then we're already seeing pullback. FTX fallout happened, and then now this wave 3 looks like it's most likely in the works here, and that had started on November 21st. So all this retracement that we're seeing now, close to about 50% retracement from where we were at as we were coming down within the wave 2. We've gotten very close to that here within this wave, possible wave 3. Seeing the price of Dogecoin had reached near the price of around 11 cents. And then we saw a little bit of pullback that had happened there, but we're still staying above the price of 9 cents, which is great. So if we're looking at things right now, this could be our first subwave, and we could have completed our first subwave, of the wave 3, and then come down for the second subwave of the wave 3, and then getting ready now to go into that third subwave, which could be the one that could be breaking us through the price that we're at within the wave 1. I think there's a lot of potential here to see the price of Dogecoin go up a pretty decent amount. Now, here in the short term, I'm thinking that we could be seeing Dogecoin within these next few days possibly go up and do this retracement from this 50% Fibonacci level, take it up within this box here. So taking it to a price that could be just slightly above 11 cents, between 11 and 12.5 cents is a possibility that we could be getting into within this next week. And then if we're able to break through that within the third subwave and keep working our way up, I think that would be the possibility that possibly by the month of January, the beginning of January, that we could be seeing this full retracement of the wave 1 and see the third subwave break through that 16 cent price. And that would be the potential of seeing even larger price movements within that. Let's look over at our moving averages here. We're still above that 20-day moving average, which is very key that we do stay above that. So staying above the price of 9 cents will really help benefit us here. We're still above all of our other moving averages, our 50, 100, and 200-day moving average, of course. So things are looking really nice with all that as well. Now, we do have Dogecoin following along with Bitcoin pretty tightly right now. If I was to take this over to the Bitcoin graph, actually, let me turn it on over to the hourly chart just to show you guys just how tightly we are following along with Bitcoin. As you can see here on the hourly chart with Dogecoin, and we look at the hourly chart here with Bitcoin, you can see that it is very similar price movements with Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So they are both very tightly following along with each other right now at this moment. So do keep that in mind, that they are being very similar within their price movement. So if Dogecoin goes up, we'd see the same thing. If Bitcoin goes up, we'll see the same thing probably with Dogecoin as well. They're very much mirroring each other right now. And the nice thing too is these recent price movements that we are seeing to the upside, they are not due to an Elon Musk tweet. So it's just momentum that we're gaining here with Dogecoin as it's following along with what the crypto market is doing. So that's great to see too, that Dogecoin is able to continue moving with the market. So as far as everything here in the short term, if we're able to work our way up here and go to that 50% Fibonacci level from the waves 1 to wave 2 here within the next couple weeks, what I'm hoping for, seeing the price of Dogecoin go between 11.5 cents to 12.5 cents as a possibility within the next week or two is where I'm hopeful that we will be seeing things going. But of course, a tweet from Elon Musk would send the price of Dogecoin up more. And we have to also take that into consideration. So it's really hard to predict with Dogecoin where the price could be going, because there's many factors that could also manipulate the price more and see the price go up. But at least right now, all these price movements are moving along with the market. So that's great to see. Hopefully this momentum does continue here with Dogecoin and we get a lot of this nice retracement from where we're at. But anyways, that's the update for now. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on what does happen with Dogecoin. But also here on this channel, as you guys know, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. So if you guys do like content like that and you are not subscribed, please do consider subscribing, because I'll be sure to keep you updated every single day on what does happen there. And I've been talking about Dogecoin a few times a week as well. So if you want to stay up to date with that as well, please do consider subscribing. All right, with that being said, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.